Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my...
And yes, we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. As we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor. You know what? Do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you got to do is hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. Alright guys, what's up? What's going on? Before we jump into today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. Now, if you aren't familiar with them, the links to their Instagram are in the description. You can check them out. If you decide to shop with them, please let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you. Sure, they'll take extra good care of you. But we are here today because we got another new pair of shoes. Now, these are the Air Jordan 6s, black, bright Concord, aqua tone. Like I said, man, these give me the black grape 5 vibes, and they're pretty clean. But without further ado, here you go guys, the Air Jordan 6 Aqua. Now, I had to do a few videos on this shoe. This shoe just reminds me of a black Toro Bravo. The 6s that dropped this year, I did a review on them. Here, I'll show you guys some on foots of that shoe. Show you some close-ups of it as well. The suede seems pretty much the same, you know, the same exact suede, just black, obviously. And the midsole, as you can see, is purple. Now, you know, don't get me wrong, I love this colorway, especially on the Jordan 5s. The white grapes, I actually had those back in 2013 when they re-retroed. What did I do with them? I don't remember. I probably got rid of them, probably sold them. Really don't remember. But it does seem like Jordan Brand's running out of ideas. You know, next we'll see this on the 7. We already got the 8s, you know, the Aqua 8s. Those are iconic. You think we'll see this colorway on the 9s? I don't know. Maybe the 10s, the 11s. A lot of Charlotte colorways, so I guess be prepared, man, because, you know, they're going to come out. But these are pretty clean, man. Let's check out the other shoes. Also, too, you know, you got the lace lock here. Got that purple Jumpman on it. Very dope, very clean. The inside is actually purple. It's actually the same color as the midsole here, so that's pretty dope. But yeah, man, these are the Air Jordan 6 Aqua Tones, or Aqua, or Black Grapes, whatever you want to call them. Very, very clean shoe. Alright guys, now, do you plan on picking these up tomorrow? They drop 10 a.m. Sneakers app, but if they sell out, you can go, like I said, to J&M Sneakers. They'll take extra good care of you. But me, a fan of a Jordan 6? Yes. Are you a fan of a Jordan 6? Let me know in the comment section. Because obviously this is the first shoe that he's actually won an NBA championship with. Very dope. I have a older pair of Jordan 6s, a pair from, let's just say it's an OG. I'll show you guys on another video, but maybe I'll show you guys, you know, after I'm done with this. Maybe I'll show you guys after, maybe I'll show you guys when we do the review and on foot of this shoe. Cause stay tuned, because we are doing that. Like I said, if you aren't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. If you're gonna go after these, make sure 10 o'clock, Sneakers app. I'm sure Foot Locker. I never really use Foot Locker. I don't use Foot Action. I don't use any of that, because J&M Sneakers is always taking care of us. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Do you guys plan on picking these up? Let me know. I'd like to hear your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section down below. But guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I just wanted to, you know, throw you up a short, quick video, you know, showing you guys how these look. But like I said, we're gonna do a detailed review, so please stay tuned. If you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until next time, it is your man, the Son of Some Man, and we're out, guys. Peace.